getting here. What? Basically, in this quick demo, I just wanted to run through how easy it is to use these large language model APIs to do text file analysis, right? So what I did was I took this article from ABC News and I just extracted the text and I put it into this text file. And so what this article is basically the CEO, obviously, of OpenAI just talks about the risks of AI and how excited or optimistic and along with the risk. The first step in the process, obviously, is you have your key and you assign your key. I did that already. Then you import your libraries, and then what I did was I took the file and I just read it into basically to a string variable. Run that, and then I have this prompt telling it basically what to do. And then in the middle of my prompt, I put the text to be analyzed from the actual file. I have a calling function that actually leverages my Anthropic API key, and then I format the prompt in this, and then I return the completion results, right? And here I assign those results to an output variable, and you can see that's still running it. So that's finished now, and then we can go down here. I don't really want to look at the output yet, right? So I created this function to kind of format the output to make it a little bit nicer for us to view. So we'll go ahead and initialize that. Then I call the output for human readability, right? So here's the overall text is optimistic yet cautious, and it talks basically about he believes artificial intelligence and ChatGPT will greatly improve and reshape society, working to implement safeguards overnight. As an award-winning journalist, this text follows. So in our prompt, we said, write, act as an award-winning journalist, and based on precision algorithms, write a 2-paragraph analysis, right? And so here's that analysis. So it writes the first basic general analysis, and then it goes a little bit deeper and kind of expands on what it is. So that's just one of the ways that you can actually ingest a text file, conduct an analysis through an API over these large language models. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for your time.